Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and today we're looking at something from the 1990s. It was a self-contained, standalone Trimble navigation system GPS when they first came out back in the day. You had the big unit box that you could mount in the trunk of your car, an antenna for reception, and then you could stream the stream off to a recorder or some data logger and keep track. So stay tuned while we look at more of it.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Now, when these first came out, they were used for a lot of things. You could put them in a boat, you could put them on a buoy, you could put them in a car. It was for tracking the position that it gave out every second. You could use it while you were driving because every second it told you what direction you were going, what speed you were going, and a lot of companies installed them in their vehicles to have a data logger and record the speed of their vehicles. So if a cop pulled them over and said, hey, you were doing 63, they could go to the data logger and go, no. Every second for the last 2 hours, I've been doing 55 miles an hour. So anyway, that's one use they could be used for. The other thing was to see where things were going. As a test, when we were testing this out for CSC down at the Stennis Space Spinner, I put this in my trunk of my Jaguar. My daughter borrowed my car one night, said she was going to the library. Upon looking at the data on a map, I now knew where the teenage parking spot was for my neighborhood. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, this is what a Trimble navigation system looks like. It has external battery, and it also has a 9-volt battery for backup, and it comes with a bunch of connectors from 9-pin to 25-pin DB connectors, a gender bender, and a null modem. All the stuff you need to hook it up to a computer and get the data stream coming out at once per second at whatever baud rate you set. Hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks for watching. Have fun, folks.